Okay, well, this is your dashboard. Once you're all logged in and you've got your username and password all sorted out, this is what you'll see when you log in. So you'll see that there's a number of things down the left-hand side here, and that each, when I hover over them, you'll see that there's a little arrow that pops up. This means you could actually click it and open any of these sections and see some of the things that are underneath. I've opened posts and pages because those are two really important things to understand about a blog. So a post is something, first of all, a blog is arranged chronologically, right? The newest thing is usually at the top of the page, and then the further down the page you go, the older the dates are. So pages are different from posts. A post is a traditional blog thing like that. A page, however, is something that could stand outside the chronological organization. So when I make blogs, especially a student blog, I would want something that said maybe directions or assignment or contact information. So that is a page that's always going to be there on the page, so you'd be able to find it. Both posts and pages work basically the same way. You'll see that each have an edit, so that you can edit any of the posts that are there already. We have one that's there by default, and when I hover over it, it says edit and quick edit, delete, or view, so I could take a look at it. I'm going to go ahead and click edit, and I'll show you how you could edit any of your posts. So this text comes automatically, so I know if you're making an EduBlog, you're going to have the exact same text. It's kind of nice text. It goes ahead and it gives you all this different information about EduBlogs and places to get started. But I am going to delete it. I'm deleting it all, and then I'm saying posts are arranged chronologically. And I'm going to say Carl's first post. Okay? Now when I'm ready to, I can click update, and that will go ahead and publish it to our site. Let's take a look. So now it says Carl's first post. Posts are arranged chronologically. And I'll show you in a minute how you can change the way this side looks. For now, this is what yours would look like too. So you could go down here to the Site Admin button, and that'll take you back to your dashboard. I'm going to make a new post. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to say Carl's second post. This post will be listed at the top of the page. For now, at least. So where do I click? That's right, over here on the big blue Publish button. There's a couple tricks I can show you. One, if you run out of time to finish your post, which happens to a lot of us, you could go over here where it says Save Draft. You can click on that, and WordPress will go ahead and store what you've worked on so far, so that when you're ready to, you can pick up, work on it until it's ready, and then click Publish. If you'd like to see what it's going to look like beforehand, you can click Preview. One trick that I've done that's kind of fun here, where it says Publish Immediately, I could actually write posts for the week, and I could put them under different days. So I could write something that's going to publish tomorrow, and then the EduBlog would automatically publish it for me. Let's not get ahead of ourselves though. I'm going to say Publish Immediately, I'm going to click Publish, and then once it lists here, it's going to say View Post. Let's go ahead and click that. Okay, so now it says Carl's second post and Carl's first post. You'll notice that we have two different ways of looking at it. So when I click on any one of my blog posts, it's going to have a standalone page. So it'll be just by itself. And if you notice up here in the URL, it's going with today's date and the title of my post. There are ways to change that, but that's what it's going to do by default. Now watch what happens when I click on the other one. So now it comes up, and it actually comes with the original name for the post, which was Hello World. So why is this important? Well, if you wanted to link just to your regular blog, it's going to show whatever's newest. Will be listed at the top. If you want to have a blog to a particular post or a particular blog entry, you'd be able to click on the standalone page and then use that link for your future links. Make sense? Let's take a quick break.